Alright guys, this video we're going to finish up doing a couple other sample problems on finding the x and the y-intercept and using those 2 points to graph a line. You can see that what I already did was to find the intercepts, you let the opposite variable equal 0. So for the x-intercept, see how I let the y equal 0? For the y-intercept, I let x equal 0. So for this x-intercept, I'm going to plug this 0 into y. So when I do that, okay, I'm going to have 3x minus 4 times y, or excuse me, 4 times 0 equals negative 12. All right, this 4 times 0 is 0, so this goes away. So we're just left with 3x equaling negative 12. Then we divide by 3, and we get x to equal negative 4. So it's going to hit the x-axis at negative 4. So this x-intercept, this is negative 4, 0. When I graph that, right, negative 4, 0, from the origin I just go to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that point, I'm going to make it red, it's going to go right here. So negative 4, 0, it's right here. Oops, not perfect, but... All right, now the next one, to find the y-intercept, you can see we're going to let x equal 0. So we are going to plug this 0 in for this x, and then we're going to solve for y. So I'll put this in blue. So we're going to have 3x, 3, and x is going to be 0, and then minus 4y equals negative 12. Now this 3 times 0, well that's just 0, that goes away. So we're just left with this negative 4y equals negative 12. Divide by negative 4 on both sides, the negatives are going to cancel, and we're going to get that y-intercept to equal 3. So the y-intercept is right here at 0, 3, so we're going to graph that. So 0, 3 is just going to be, here's the origin, we're going to go up 3 units, so that's where the y-intercept is going to be. So we'll put this in blue, so it's like right here. So then that's all you have. You have your x-intercept, your y-intercept, you connect those 2 points, and you have your line. All right, let's move on to the next side. All right, let's see here. The next side, let's see which one we want to do. You know what, let's take a look. Let's do number 5, because this is actually in slope-intercept form. So the other ones, it wasn't in slope-intercept form, but let's find both intercepts using slope-intercept form. So again, let's do the x-intercept in red. So the x-intercept, I'm going to find out the x, I'm going to let y equal 0. So when I plug 0 in for y, I'm going to have 0 equals negative 2x minus 8. Now this is going to take a couple steps. I'm going to add 8 to both sides. All right, that goes away. Add 8 here. So we're going to have 8 equals negative 2x. Divide by negative 2. And 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. Oops. So let's put here x equals negative 4. So that's the x-intercept, negative 4. So I'm going to graph this. So at negative 4, 0, from the origin, I'm going to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the x-intercept at negative 4, 0. So I'll put that in red. There we go. Now, the next one, which I'm going to do in blue, the y-intercept, remember we're letting x equal 0. Now, this is already in slope-intercept form, where it's y equals mx plus b. So this, the negative 8, that's the y-intercept. And if you didn't see it, when you plug 0 in for x, you would have y equals negative 2 times 0 minus 8. Well, negative 2 times 0 is 0. That goes away. And 0 minus 8 gives you negative 8. So this is the other point we're going to graph. So 0, negative 8, I think this goes off the chart, because I think this just goes up to negative 7. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. So let's put negative 8 like right here, just off the chart. And we're going to put it in blue. All right, so we'll put it right here. Okay, so then we have our x-intercept, our y-intercept. We connect it, and we have our line. All right, so biggest thing, when you guys find the x-intercept, you let y equal 0. When you want to find the y-intercept, you let x equal 0. Once you get those 2 points, you plot the 2 points, you connect it, and you have your line.